Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I filmed this late night a couple nights ago, and in it I am trying two new to me brands, a brand of these Liquitex fluid paints that I got on sale at Michael's. I have turquoise blue and bright aqua green. I'm going to throw those in a painting with a couple other colors and see how they do. I was dorking around on a smaller canvas and I noticed that even though these say opaque, I was able to like really get the watercolor effect with those, which usually only happens with transparent colors. So these definitely behaved a little bit differently for me. So let me get you down and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, I got a little bit of an experiment and a part of me thinks I'm crazy doing it. This is a cradled board from Ampersand. It is unprimed and I didn't feel like priming it, so I'm gonna roll as is. And off camera I was playing around with some new to me products. I only bought two colors. These Liquitex Basics, their version of fluid acrylics. This is turquoise blue and bright aqua green. Both of these say that they're opaque. Yet when I blew out something off camera, particularly with the turquoise blue, it was anything but opaque. Like it lightened up. It gave me all sorts of like the stained glass look effect. And so I thought, well, let's just try it and see what happens. I'm going to put down, this is a transparent color. This is Holdcroft 2 paint in Princely Purple. So we're going to do some Princely Purple. And then we're going to do the turquoise. And then the bright aqua green. And then some teal from Golden. So this is truly opaque. Oh shoot. Well, I'll double up. I meant to put Waterfall. Oh, now I'll do Waterfall. This little piggy and Waterfall. And then we'll just put like a dollop of the teal kind of in the middle there. And then let's use both black and white CA. So I'm going to go with Lamp Black first. And I want to see if these stay opaque this time, or if that was a fluke. And then some white, Amsterdam white. All right, let's blow this out and see what we get. All right, it's kind of pushing around on the edges, and it didn't have the same effect as it did in the one I did off camera. Of course. I'm not sure I like this. I think it's a little too monochromatic. I'm going to puff on it, give a baby spin, and if I don't like it, like if I don't get more of the purple to show up, I might just pour another little puddle on top of it, add another color or two. All right, let me just give it a baby spin. Or I'm gonna use some old paint that's on my tarp. That's kind of gross, but just to make things slippery on this wood. All right, let's give this a go. Oh yeah, see the purple's coming out in that one spot, but it's not doing the watercolor effect like it was before. I guess that's good news because it's supposed to be opaque. So I was like, what's going on? I mean, it's pretty. Just wish it had more purple. Let's finish it off though, and then I'll take a hard stare. I'm letting it go to get rid of a shadow right here that doesn't want to come off. Although the more I spin, the more the purple's coming up. So let me spin some more just to get rid of the shadow, and we'll take a look. Can you guys see the whole thing? It's very pretty. I feel like I've just been doing just regular old big blooms and need to do something else. But without getting too personal, just going through some tough times in my personal life, and so I don't feel creative. Like I still want to paint because it does take my mind off of things, but I don't feel like I'm as innovative as I normally would be, and find myself just relying on the tried and true, which I guess there's nothing wrong with that, yeah, when you're going through tough times. So I hope you guys don't mind that it's just nothing but a couple of big blooms lately. This is very pretty, I have to say, even though I am a little color fatigued. But I think that's a keeper for me. I'm just staring at it, making sure nothing is catching my eye. The one thing that is catching my eye a lot, let me wipe off my hand, is this one cell. But like, do I leave it live or not? I don't know. It's kind of bugging me. I think it stands out too much, right? Oh, wow. I'm down to 2.5 gallons of the PPG MultiPro. This is the second painting without a single speckle. And I don't care, we're still breaking up. I have not bought any more. So when it's gone, it's gone. And I have 12 quarts of the color to go on standby. This is going to bug me. I'm going to take it out. Like, it's got to come out. I have my little syringe handy. And what'd you do? Make it a white little spot? Oh yeah, see, it's not nearly as noticeable. And that's like a little dab of color. And you'll never know. Let me grab a skewer. Because I didn't really futz with this one too much, did I? Kind of in and out, easy peasy. Well, here, we'll stick it in the white spot. Yeah, see, it's, oh no, it's not gonna show. It's barely on the tip. So, this will look really pretty in the ampersand floater frame. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call it and say, ta-da! Hope you guys don't think it's too boring. It is a beautiful bloom though. I'm loving my new recipe. I mean, it's made life easy, really. Consistency wise, lots of cells, colors hold, everything. So that's awesome. Let me get you guys down. All right, guys, I'm tucking this guy away from the night. It's fine. That's how I feel. It might be my mood. I mean, I guess if you're a teal, blue, green, purple girl or guy, this might be right up your alley. It's pretty. That's all I have to say. Like, it's fine. Let's see how it dries. All right, guys, this one's dry. It has grown on me. I think I was just grumpy pants. I really like the white in the middle and then the black, but now I had this idea of using these same colors, and instead of black, do the white and then permanent violet dark, which is what I think I'm going to do. I really appreciate the change in colors, like down here where you can really see the difference between waterfall, the teal, and the aqua green. It happens up here too. Like, I love that this part here is that's waterfall and not the black. Super pretty. Yeah, so the more I look at this, oh, hold on, I like this other part too. These cells here, they're primo. The more I look at this, the more I'm appreciating it. I don't know. Picky pants combined with crabby pants is not good. Anyway, let me flip around and say goodbye. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'm still giggling over my combo of crabby pants and picky pants. There's got to be a word for that. Less than a month ago before we head off to Dublin. So if you're in Europe or elsewhere, get your tickets now. It's coming up quick. Or you can hold out to join us in Washington, D.C., August 6th, 7th, 8th. Fluid Art Boutique will be here in my hometown, so come paint with me. And thought of the day, it's my mantra, a little bit of a soapbox. Be inspired, but be your own artist. Be a leader, not a follower. It's my plan. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.